Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. That's what I normally say, but today I want to wish you all the best end of the year. We are celebrating Christmas tomorrow here in Europe and in many other parts of the world. If you don't celebrate Christmas, still I wish you all the best. It's end of the year. Happy holidays. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy the time with your families, friends. Take a time out and just forget everything. The world, we know it's a bit crazy these days. Have fun. Enjoy emotional moments. That's what it is about in these days. Thanks for watching our channel, of course. Thanks for being loyal, for commenting and for having an opinion. That's what we need and that's what we like. We will bring more stuff next year. I'm very curious to see what the watch year 2026 will bring us. It became a little bit boring recently, I have to say. Besides one or two, three, four highlights maybe. I didn't see too many really thrilling watches this year, but things might change next year. We will see that. You don't know, I don't know. I heard some rumors, but rumors are rumors. So we will discover them and then we will make a good video as always. Okay, friends, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Merry whatever you want to celebrate these days. Just have fun and have a safe journey from 2025 to 2026. Celebrate, open some bottles of champagne, have fun. Bye-bye from us, from WatchAdvisor, and see you back on our channel in 2026. Bye, guys.